Hi, I'm Rutais, and this is the second video response of Comics and Sequential Art by Will Eisner. So, in chapter 2, Will Eisner tells about how imagery acts as a communicator in comic books, made be the text, symbols, and sometimes even without text. So, in chapter 1, we've kind of established that the communicating devices in comic books is words and images. So, in the subtopic of the chapter 2, imagery acts as a communicator. It shows that the images that are drawn in a comic books need to have a common experience in the minds of both the parties, that is the artist and the reader. So this is one of the demands that the sequential art artists need to keep in mind, is to understand the reader's experience with the imagery that he is drawing, and so that the readers can understand that the message the artist is trying to convey. So image acts as a communicator through which the artist and the reader interact through images and text that they both can know and understand. So hence why an image which can, which so that's why the artist need to draw an image which tells a story, as well as have a commonality experiences that can make the reader react emotionally to the image. So in the second subtopic, letters as images, so words are made out of letters. Now letters are symbols that can be devised into subtle application through weight, emphasis, posture, which it kind of derives beauty and message. For example, just like how calligraphy works, where a singular letter can be given in different styles. So yeah, so even atmospheric lighting kind of in the imagery can alter the emotional nuance too. So basically what Will Eisner is trying to say is, um, basic symbol may be a human posture. It can be altered, or can be derived to make various expressions, postures, costume, even backgrounds. So in summation, written alphabet or written letter, when given a different style, it kind of contributes to the meaning of the imagery. So in the last topic, images without words, by the title itself, Will Eisner explains that imagery itself can tell or narrate a story. So in an imagery without words comic or a comic strip, the dialogue is absent and the action that is present in the panel demonstrates the viability of the imagery. So in an imagery without text, the imagery serves as the expression itself, as the narration itself. So words like bang are used to show the action of something. In other words, thought bubbles are used to show what the character is thinking. It can't be speech bubbles because there is an absence of dialogue. Then we have close up expressions like grimace, anger, happiness. We have speed lines to show the motion of the character or the motion of the object that is present in the panel. And background art is necessary to comprehend, so that the reader can comprehend the scenery or the location where the character or the action is taking place. And lastly, expression and gesture in comic books without the text are exaggerated in order the character reads the action. So all these particular elements are kind of concept that Will Eisner is trying to tell us, that is used in comic books that have the convey story with images alone. And this is the end of the chapter 2 summary. Thank you.